Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install some Lux LED rock lights on a 2010 Chevy Silverado. The reason I bought these is because they have magnets on the back and I didn't want to drill into the actual body of the truck. I have the first four mounted, and as you can see, they're magnetic, very strong. Alright, so this is the rear wheel well, and I'll show you how I have the wire run right now. Ran it through this little hole, and I have it through that hole. This is the gap of the truck bed right here. So I have it run behind this, out through a hole right here, and along this side until I get to run through that hole. Through this. And right now I just have it on the ground. I'll run it through the engine here in a little bit. And one on that side, done the same way. I'm going to show you the front. So these were a little bit harder. I had to undo all the pins and screws from the plastic wheel well lining, and what I have is it up under here, ran the wire through the engine, or ran the light through the engine I should say, put it here, and what I'm going to do is end up cutting out part of the wheel well here, just so that around here somewhere so that you can see the light. And same for the other side, just have it down in here, right up there, and I'll cut it out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and place the other four. Alright, so now I'm going to show you where I put the other four lights throughout the bottom of the truck. First one I did was right here in the front on my rough country suspension lift, and I just ran the wire up through that wheel well up to the engine bay. And now other ones, I have one right here, and that's close to the back wheel, right up here. I have one right across the middle of the truck, just on the body. And you can see where I've kind of run the wires up through the natural holes in the frame. And you can just hide those on your own time. And for the last one, I just have it right up here. And I gotta hide these wires, but I ran all of them up through this wheel well over to the engine bay. I have them all kind of here. I'll have to clean those up still. They're just kind of dangling right now. But yeah. Alright, so cut out the holes in the front wheel well liners. This is the driver's side. I just got a Dremel and just cut around the plastic. As you can see, got a bunch of wires running up here that I'll have to hide later. Alright, so This is the engine bay. It's kind of showing you where some of the wires are. So some are coming up through here. Those are all kinds of light bar wires and amp wires for my subs and stuff. But that blue box right there, if you buy the Max Pro kit, it comes with the installation stuff. So it came with that box that you attach the wires into. And I just have it all zip tied to just whatever in the truck. So yeah. Alright, so if you buy the Max kit, it comes with the Lux lighting logo rocker and switch. It illuminates blue whenever it's turned on, top and bottom LEDs. And yeah, when it turns nighttime, I will definitely video some night shots of it to show you just how bright these things are. Because I tried them out a few nights ago, and they're extremely bright, didn't disappoint me at all, love the lights. Here we are at nighttime, a little walk around of them on. Now, the camera does not pick up all the light, but these are extremely bright lights. Like, you can see the little parking lines. They don't look very bright, but in person they're pretty bright out here. It goes all the way back there. The camera does not pick up the light right now. But yeah, these are just 8 of the lights. That wheels it up a lot more than it looks like. Looks good underneath, not very many shadows. So yeah, love the product. Hit up Lux LED rock lights if you want a great price on some great lights.